roped into doing this. So we wanted to show how easy it was to put on some lashes. But I wanted to take them to the team and show you.
You guys are so nervous.
Yeah. And oh my god.
Set him up with my little shadow.
They'll compact, yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Oh dear, everyone's gonna be laughing.
Oh my god, Dan. Watch that inner corner.
Okay.
You make it look so easy. Oh my god, you did it. Shut up. Oh
I guess it's not that difficult.
It's not. And I wanted to show you guys.
Easy peasy. Wow, okay. That was a lot easier than I thought. God, this feels weird. This is really weird.
Lashes all the time.
Heck no. These are coming off real soon.
Oh, let me just see one eye. Oh my god, Dan. You look so pretty. I can't even deal with you.
Yeah.
This is the greatest thing ever. So, I'm so proud of you. Thank you for taking one for the team.
Not a problem. God, if I can do it, everyone can do it.
Yeah.